In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a Base44 app to Netlify. We'll walk through the process from inside your Base44 project all the way to getting a live site URL on Netlify. This is a straightforward workflow, and once you've done it once, it becomes very quick to repeat for future projects. Start by going to Base44. Once you're there, open your project files so you can access the app you want to publish. Make sure you choose the correct project before moving on, especially if you have multiple apps in your workspace. After you're inside the project, take a moment to confirm that everything looks right and that you're in the correct environment. This helps avoid deploying the wrong app by mistake. Next, click on Dashboard. This will take you into the project's main management area where you can access additional settings and tools related to your app. From the dashboard, click on Code. This is where you'll be able to review the project's file structure. You don't need to make major changes here for this walkthrough, but it's useful to know where your files live before deployment. Once you're in the code section, click on the file called jsconfig.json. Opening this file helps verify that you're working in the project's code workspace. Even if you're not editing anything in it right now, it serves as a good checkpoint before switching over to Netlify. After that, go to Netlify. You'll be moving from the development side into the hosting side, where your app will be published and made accessible online. Netlify is popular because it makes static and front-end deployments very fast and simple. When you're in Netlify, begin the deployment process for your Base44 app. Follow the Netlify deploy flow to upload and publish the project. This is the step where your app gets transferred from your local or project workspace context into a hosted web environment. Once the deployment starts, wait a few seconds for the upload to complete. In most cases, this part is very fast. As soon as Netlify finishes processing the upload, your site will instantly go live on a generated Netlify URL. At that point, you can open the live link and test your app in the browser. It's a good idea to click through a few pages or features just to confirm everything loaded correctly after deployment. And that's it. You've successfully taken your Base44 app and deployed it to Netlify, turning it into a live, shareable website in just a few steps.